In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up price and delta alerts on GoCharting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, reliable alert that pings you the moment your conditions are met so you don't have to stare at the chart all day. Start by opening GoCharting.com. From the homepage, head to the top menu, click Products, and choose Charts. This takes you into the main charting workspace. Load your preferred market and time frame so you're working on the exact instrument you care about. Once your chart is visible, right-click anywhere on the canvas to bring up the context menu, then select Alert. That opens the Create Alert panel, which is where you'll do the actual setup. In the Alert panel, begin by choosing the parameter. For a straightforward market level trigger, select Price. If you're tracking order flow dynamics, pick Delta instead. Price alerts react to the chart's traded levels, while Delta alerts respond to net buying versus selling pressure. The rest of the configuration is the same. You're simply switching the data source that drives the alert. Next, set the operator. Choose greater than to be alerted when the selected parameter crosses above your target. This is ideal for breakout conditions because it fires as momentum pushes through your level. If you typically monitor pullbacks or breakdowns, there are other operators available, but we'll stick with greater than for this walkthrough to keep things clear. Now, enter the value. This is your threshold. Be precise here. Consider the instrument's tick size and typical volatility so you don't pick a level that never trades or gets tagged constantly by noise. It helps to double check the number before moving on to avoid fat finger mistakes. Move down to delivery frequency and select once. This triggers a single notification when the condition is met, which keeps your notifications tidy while you test. You can always adjust this later if you need repeated pings, but starting with once prevents alert fatigue. Give your alert a clear name and add a message. Use the message for quick context you'll want at a glance. Think symbol, time frame, and why you set it. Clear labeling makes it much easier to manage multiple alerts later. Choose how you want to be notified. Enable pop-up to see it inside the platform, turn on sound for an audible cue, and use in-app push if you rely on mobile or desktop notifications. If you automate workflows, add a webhook URL from a trusted service so the alert can trigger external actions. Only use URLs you control and avoid sharing any sensitive information. When everything looks good, click Create Alert. Your alert is now active. As soon as price, or delta if you selected it, meets the condition, you'll receive the notifications you chose. That's it. You've set up a precise, tidy alert on GoCharting that works the way you do.